What kind of crazy are you?
My personal heaven. Whoa, heaven on earth. Here I come.
Everybody's crazy, just a little crazy. Nobody is normal. What kind of crazy are you? Everybody's crazy, just a little crazy. Now you know you're crazy. Well, what you gonna do? 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 What kind of crazy are you? What kind of crazy are you? What kind of crazy are you?
Hiya. Remember me? Colin, you know, I'm a United fan. And I'm up here for 3 days until Wednesday, I think, at 4 or 5 o'clock Wednesday. And in these 3 days, like today, first of all, I'm going to tell us who, or tell you who we are, and then why. I'll be telling you why we're doing that, but I'll do that tomorrow. And on Wednesday, I'll be telling you what we're doing. But at the same time, I'll be doing other things, and you can see what I'm doing. 3 days just with the 3 topics: who, why, and what.
Let's get together.
There's definitely seen better days, but will it hold the rest of this video? What I want to say is, first things first, yeah? Last time I ended the video with saying thank you universe for letting me find this place, and I'm still thankful, and that is not going to change. But I'm going to start this video with thank you Claudia for letting me be your husband. And you know more than me and more than anyone else, without you, the two of us, we couldn't be doing this. And yeah, thank you Claudia, thank you. I love you. Right, and everybody else, thanks for watching the second video. Here we go.
What kind of crazy are you? What kind of crazy are you?
Hiya. Hiya. Well, so like I said, while the thought's still here, thank you for watching. And what this channel is going to be about, and who with, well, it's going to be with me partly, and I can only be me, so I'm going to only talk about me, and everything I say, I take full responsibility for it. It's me talking, and it's my opinion. If you agree with my opinion, good. If you don't agree with my opinion, good as well. But I take responsibility for me, and me only. I try and take responsibility for my dog, Henry. Yeah, you've seen him before. And I'm going to try and take responsibility for this land around me, and that's my pledge. Blah, 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 blah. It's all about me. No, it's not. It's all about for our adventures, Claudia and mine, and yeah, living on this land. We're building up a permaculture farm, and it starts right here. Well, it started in the other video, really. Yeah, it's all a bit of entertainment. And to be really honest, one thing I am not is all light, sunshine, fairy. I love to smile, and smiling is a nice thing, but you can't always smile, and you can't always be nice and turn the other cheek. Yeah, but how many times? How many times do we? I mean, there's a lot of things I don't understand, and like in Star Wars, I can go to the light or to the dark, and my heart is nearer to the light, but I do know there's dark places in me and dark places ahead of me, but that's life, eh? But I'm still going to try my best. Everything I've learned in permaculture, I'm going to try and do on this land for you, me, and everyone, just for something to do. Oh yeah, and by the way, subscribe and like.
Hit it. Well, if you've got odd behavior, then do yourself a favor. Just love your crazy flavor, let it all shine through. Don't let the straight and formal fool you that they are normal, because you know that they are all just crazy like you.
I know for sure one thing Claudia hates about me, but I'm sure somehow deep inside she's impressed about it, is I've got a spaghetti ordnung, I call it. Now, it's I'm organised like a plate of spaghetti. I mean, have you ever looked at a plate of spaghetti and thought it was a mess? Really?
Yeah, yo, I was crazy as a baby and I never changed. Some people hide their crazy, I put mine on center stage. They used to scream, yo, you're making a scene, stop that.
Poor guy doesn't like being on the lead, but the thing is, he's so young, he still runs away.
And now I rock hip-hop in a purple top hat. And they still screaming, now they scream, oh yeah. I hope I rock a show in Oz and you're all there. I'm a secret agent, acting normal is my alias, but I'm the crazy kids, far out like aliens.
Typical me, clumsy Colin. I've only just gone and lost a really important part of my camera frame, so... But you know what? There's always a reason to complain and whinge. By the way, brand new song from Captain Feasty Smith Boyle, Whinge, coming out really soon. I heard it. It's brilliant. Yeah, so there's always a reason to whinge. But you know what? I tell myself, Colin, it's your own fault. You wanted this. You got up this morning. So if you get up in the morning, take responsibility. I'm going to try to do that anyway. So if you hear me whinging, you hear me complaining, just say, Colin, it's your own fault. You wanted it. So, and that's all I can say to you. It's your own fault. And anybody who said you didn't want this, I mean, we take the good and we take the bad, don't we? Don't you? You take the good, so take the bad as well. You want this? Stop whinging. Get out and let's make peace possible.
What kind of crazy are you? What kind of crazy are you?
Gotta be part of the compost. So this is what I've done. At the bottom I've got the cow, the old barn floor, which is just old poo, and I've got some green stuff that's growing around here, and then I've got sticks on the top and leaves and stuff. I'm not expecting those sticks to disappear in 18 days. I'm a realist.
What kind of crazy are you?
But I'm putting the sticks in there because I'm thinking the poo's anaerobic anyway, so we've got to get some air in there, because apparently when it's anaerobic it means there's no more air and it dies and it goes all different kind of fungi anyway. So I put sticks in there, I thought, just to give it air from the bottom. And then so I'm going to keep piling it up like that, and then cubic meter. That's what I thought. Anyway, that's what I'm doing.
What kind of crazy are you?
If it's all a load of BS, please give me your feedback. Or if you got any better ideas, or just enjoy it. I don't know. Anyway, I want to learn, I'm trying, and I'm sharing. Oh, look at that view. Look at that view.
What kind of crazy are you?
He's made himself a bed, which is like a mini swale as well, which I pretty dig. And see that Hugelkultur? It's just going to be a pathway one day with a swale in between to stop the water, and then that's going to be a berm, and maybe get some trees going in there. Nice pathway.
Oh, it's crazy over here right now.
So I think that's it for today. It's nearly 5 o'clock, so 9 till 5. So no, I'm going to finish for today, preparing and cleaning up and getting started. Who am I? Yeah, I'm Colin, because that's the question of the day, isn't it? I'm Colin, I'm 42 years old, and was originally born in England. I've grown up here in Switzerland, so I can speak Swiss German. I've lived in Greece for 2 years in between, and I'm thankful and I'm lucky, and I'm now here. I'm your host of this entertainment show, this YouTube channel, and this, I don't know what it's called, but it's going to be my fence, one of my fences, a kind of fence. Cleaned up today a bit. See, it looks a bit different. Can you see? I don't know. That's Henry. He's ready to go for a walk. So bye-bye. End of day 1.
What kind of crazy are you?
Good morning. Well, day 2. And it's raining. You can't really see it. It's raining. It's good. I can see where the water flows and how it goes. So yeah, question of day 2 is, why are we doing this? Well, for me, I was looking for something that makes sense. What does that mean, make sense? I mean, working, going, earning money, that always makes sense. But yeah, the world has changed quick, and the world is changing even quicker, and yeah, it's not all good, is it? It's nice. Lots of it's nice, lots of it's good, but lots of it's not good, and yeah. So we decided we want to pull ourselves back a bit out of cities, out the rat race every day, making money just to pay money. Yeah, I mean, money's still going to be a topic up here, obviously, but we also wanted to do something that changes the world and saves the world, and and what better than way to look after nature and help build the soil and plant trees and life and food. And then there's a lot more work up here than doing a normal 9 to 5 job. I mean, I've been up at 7, already done my compost, and there's a lot more work. But it's work for ourselves, it's work for the environment, it's work for our neighbours, because if there's surplus, anybody who comes by can eat. There's work for the future, there's work for rebuilding, and there's also, I believe, what peace is possible. I've got my inner peace up here, and it's just a way. It's just a way to spend the rest of our lives. I mean, I've got at least another 25 years to work. So, yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense to plant a garden and do permaculture and change life. And then living here, I mean, honestly. Yeah, so there's some of the reasons why we're doing this. What we're going to do, I'll show you later on as well. I've not got much battery. I've not got any electricity up here yet, so my battery's low. So I might not have enough footage for all 3 days, but I'll make a footage. So yeah.
What kind of crazy are you?
Why am I speaking English and not German, being in Switzerland? Well, the idea is that I can reach more people. And in English, I mean, all Swiss understand English, don't you? Well done, Switzerland, for understanding English, but not most of the world understands Swiss German. So that's why I'm doing it in English. What am I doing? Well, this place here, this hut under a stone, which is brilliant, it's amazing, I'm going to turn into a cob house. And it's going to be a honeymoon suite. Let me show you inside quick. Because I'm a fan of cob. I love the idea of making things out of natural materials. So a cob house, a weekend getaway, if you want. Let's see what's in here. Look. Yeah. It's going to be a bedroom under those stone. Simple things that are needed in life. There you go. Look at that. A beauty.
What kind of crazy are you?
But one big problem we've got here is the pathway to it is overgrown. Ha! So, you can guess what I'm going to do with these trees. Looks like a little tour along here. Right, I know. I said I'll do a video of the first 3 days, but I said these videos are going to be honest. And these are all going to be sunshine and laughter. The reason I had to break off after day 1 or day 2 is Henry at first it's like
killed one of those sheep yesterday. Because I can't trust him, because once a killer, always a killer. I'm gonna have to have him put down. Yeah, so that's why I'm not at the land right now. Well, I know that you're down, just feeling like you can't get up, and I just wanna offer a little bit of love. Now, I don't really know what to do, but I hope that singing makes it better. Oh yeah, yeah, 'cause singing makes it better when you've got a broken heart, and singing makes it better when everything's falling apart. Well, if you got the blues, just bust out a tune, 'cause singing makes it better.